What is going on, guys? I am currently in a McDonald's. My name is Amy. This is my beautiful boyfriend, Corbin. We are going to be driving about 38 minutes away from our house to go pick up some NES inbox games. Let's get it.
Let's see the goodies.
There you go.
And this is just like a small part of your main collection, right?
That's about half.
That's about half of it? Okay.
About half. Well, I've got games that are in custom cases, but I just soon keep them.
2020.
Ooh.
And so this is about, what, 60 games right here? I love that cover right there. American Gladiators. Gotcha. Metal Met. That original price tag, $4.99.
Is that what we're buying it for?
At PAX discount, yeah. I wish. Mule, Dungeon and Magic, we've had that a few times. CIB, Flying Dragon. These old cover arts are just like gorgeous. Raid on Bungling Bay.
Are these the ones that we had looked up?
Yeah, this is all 60 that we looked up.
Okay. Well, there is a sleeper in here then. Wherever
Adventures
she
of Lolo
is.
2.
Oh yeah. There it is. Give me that gold too. Yes. This right here, you would not know by looking at it, but this is about $100 game.
Yeah, and most of these games are what I would say like common to maybe mid-tier. That game being more mid-tier because you gotta think about this is complete condition, so you don't find these games complete often, right? But when they're $20, $40 complete, I would just consider them like a mid to common game. Double Dare, Treasure Master, Iron Tank, Rampart.
But they're still really, really cool to have because, I mean, when are you gonna find complete NES? We don't find them too often.
So when are you gonna sell me the other half of your collection? You said what?
I'm sure the wife will want to do something.
Yeah, this is actually really good condition.
Oh.
You know, it took me.
Well, hello there. If you guys are enjoying this type of content, let us know by leaving a like, comment, and subscribing to our channel. Because we have cats. And if you want us to feed them, you need to feed us. By subscribing. My belly's empty. Only thing that can fill it up is likes and comments and subscriptions. Thank you.
Forever to piece a lot of them together.
Oh, I believe
I
it.
bought the manual. That manual right there was a pain in the butt to get.
Dragon Power?
Yes. Just went down out there. Well, where I was going.
So yeah, so how long did you like thrift all this or just kind of piece it together like through clearance or?
I bought a really big collection, actually from a lady on eBay. But what happened was when I got it, she had like 50 or 60 games, but I bought them to her direct. I didn't go through eBay. I reached out to her and we started messaging back and forth. And what happened was when I got the games in, she said they all had their manuals. They did not. They had hand printed manuals. Like where they came from a rental store.
Okay.
So they had took the original manuals out and printed them. And I'm like, no. I said, these things don't have the manuals. So basically what she done is what I paid her, I got half my money back.
Ooh, okay.
So, but I'd take that money to buy the manuals, which
was a lot more probably.
Well, some of the manuals I was paying $20 to $25 a piece for. That manual right there was a pain of was a beast to get too. That's a high end game there. Yeah. Imagine Fight.
Look, all these say PAX and discount.
Yeah, I'd like to buy it for $20.
That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Of course, that may have been. Do you think that was from what the store? Because the cover would have been torn off. The seal, the original seal would have been torn off there.
I don't know.
I just wonder if that's what the rental store said it was. Or wherever. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Some of these are actually really nice condition. Baseball stars too. Classic NES cleaning kit. Everyone needs one of those. Oops. I'm trying to just pull out some. So the thing that we had to think about when making an offer on this, obviously we put everything into price charting, is complete NES games tend to hold more value, right, than like a loose NES game, but condition is key on these, especially when we're selling these in an auction format. We have high-end collectors who want like top-notch, supreme quality, just the premium, the cream of the crop. But with these, as you all can see, a lot of these are just like, they're not horrible shape, but they have this your standard wear and tear for 20-plus-year-old games. So that's something we had to really think and consider, like our audience, what would they pay us for this? Because as you all know, guys, we absolutely hate eBay. We're sick of eBay's stuff that we've had to deal with them for years. So we're gonna, use and abuse whatnot right now while we can, while it's still a hot platform to sell on. But going into this, that's one thing that we had to think about, is just, the condition of these.
Exactly why I don't sell that stuff on eBay.
Yeah. Okay, so 60 beautiful NES games, CIB. And I'm actually kind of happy with the condition on some of these. I thought they were just all going to be a little dinged up. Like, I mean, look at this.
Oh yeah.
I remember the day
Really nice
I bought that one at the yard sale.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so crazy. Could y'all imagine us buying NES games CIB at a yard sale nowadays? So hard to find.
7-8 years ago.
So hard to find nowadays.
Well, and if they are at a yard sale, you already know that someone came like 2 hours earlier and bought them. Yep.
Oh yeah, that's what when I was yard selling, I'd walk up, if I didn't see what I was looking for, that's what the people, when you're on a mission, they know.
Mm-hmm.
What are you looking for? Well, I'm looking for, vintage games or game systems. Like what? Nintendo, Sega,
N64.
and you'd be surprised how many people, oh crap, I forgot, I left that down in the base, I meant to get that out.
Every time.
I'll sit there.
I thought about bringing that out, but I didn't think anybody would
Well, I
want
told
it.
you that story about the Super Nintendo stuff. Most of that, you remember when I told you that Super Nintendo stuff? That's where most of that came from, was a yard sale.
Oh yeah,
That dude, he was down in the Middletown area.
And then the wife came out.
Yeah, the wife come running out there. Are you sure you went? I'm walking across the front yard packing it out. I'm like, no, I done paid for it. I'm gone.
Yeah, I'm stoked to have this though. It's so hard for us, like, I can sell loose games all day long, but like once I get them complete in box, it's just like, it would look so good on the shelf,
You won't get rid of it.
Huh?
You know how long I probably had most of them sitting on a shelf for 10 years or more.
Oh, I believe it. I believe it. But that's what I'm saying though, like in this line of work, it's so hard for us to like, I mean obviously we're gonna sell them, like we have to, but
Oh yeah, thanks man.
they're just,
Good luck.
they're so pretty. So we are back home. Beautiful, beautiful pickup today. 60 complete inbox NES games. Very hard to come by, especially in today's market. We ended up paying, I believe, $1,400 for everything. I originally offered him $13. He counted at $15. I just straight up said no. Nope. And then we agreed on $1,400. The total price chart value of this lot is about $2,600, so it's a little over that 50% mark. But with this stuff being complete inbox retro games, they don't sell quite as often as loose games, so I believe that the price chart value is typically pretty on the lower end of what they're actually worth. So I do believe $1,400 is a pretty fair offer and price for us to make money on. So we did pull aside a little stack here. Again, guys, there's lots of good stuff in here, but this is just a few items to show you all maybe like what to be on the lookout for. This whole stack is $50 and up. So we have Double Dare, Tombs and Treasures. Really cool cover art. Look at that, guys. And all of these had the same sticker. So all these games, I think, came from the same place. Paxson Discount Christian Outlet. If y'all know what that is, let us know in the comments below. I don't know if that's like a thrift store or like an old game store that we've never heard of, but let us know if y'all know anything about that. Then we've got Star Trek 25th Anniversary. Now, guys, some of these boxes are absolutely like crisp. Like, this is a very nice box. I mean, obviously that's always going to be up a little bit once you open it, but very nice condition boxes on some of these. Than others, have a little more wear and tear, but I'm pretty happy with a lot. Image Fight, that's another good one to look out for. See, same little thingy-madoober. The Adventures of Lolo 2, another hard game to find. 1943, The Battle of Midway. Rampart. Raid 2020, and this game right here, if you all have never seen what it looks like loose, does not look like your typical NES game. So obviously we can do some cleaning on it, but this is just an odd looking cartridge. I don't know the history of it, but
Just thought the cartridge was worth noting. And then last but not least, we have 8 Eyes. So again, there's that Paxson discount Christian outlet. So it was $20, then they knocked it down to $4.99. Could you all imagine going to like a thrift store nowadays and paying $4 or $5 for a CIB NES game? Unheard of. Also, let us know down in the comments below how we did. Would you all have done this deal? Do you think $1,400 is a fair price? Do you think we overpaid? Do you think we underpaid? I know there's gonna be people on both sides. You all overpaid, oh my god, how dare you? And then the other side's gonna be like, you all ripped him off! You ripped them off! You have no souls! Where's the conviction, Jimmy? So let us know down below which one you are. But yeah, super stoked about this. Everything will be sold on Whatnot. I don't know the date. Everything will be sold on Whatnot July 22nd at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, okay? Everything here, everything you see here starts about $1. So if you are interested in any of these items, obviously we still got to clean and test, make sure everything's good to go. But when you all see this video, when this video drops, the day after is when we have the sale. So be there or be square. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did not, keep it to yourself. Let us know in the comments below how we did. If you all done the same, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And as always, we'll be chatting. Boop.